Hi and welcome to the Hot Spring family. Congratulations on your purchase of a Limelight Spa. The control panel on your Limelight Spa provides a quick visual check of the spa's status and allows you to set the temperature, activate the jets and lights, lock the temperature and other spa functions. Other optional functions may also be available depending on the spa model and accessory equipment that has been installed into your spa. The control panel has 8 buttons. The 4 labelled outer buttons are referred to as hard buttons. These buttons are fixed and their functions do not change. Here you have jets, lights, options and the back button. The 4 inside buttons are referred to as soft buttons. Pressing a soft button will activate the function on the control panel screen closest to that button. The control panel display lets you know you've pressed a button and that the selected function has been performed. After a period of non-use, which is about 45 seconds, the display will go back to the home screen where the screen will remain on for several minutes before going to sleep mode. Pressing any button will wake up your sleeping display. The temperature displayed in the centre of the home screen is the actual temperature of the spa water. If the ready icon is lit and solid on the screen, then the actual spa temperature is within 1 degree of the set temperature. From the home screen, let's run through the corner soft button functions. It's important to note that some soft key functions will only be illustrated if the optional accessory has been installed. Memory. This feature will recall the last active setting for jets and lights prior to pressing the All Off button. This means you can have your favourite combination of jet pressure and lighting preset ready for your next spa pool session. All Off. This feature will shut all jets and lights off immediately, while saving your favourite jets and light settings to be recalled for future using the memory setting. Audio. If you purchased music or TV accessories with your spa, this feature will take you to the audio menu. From here, further audio options can be selected using the soft buttons. Clean. Provided as a convenient timer for water maintenance, this function activates the jet pump on high for a 10-minute period. The jet icon will flash on the home screen to indicate the jet pump is engaged and in the clean cycle. Next, you may add properly measured spa water chemicals into the filter compartment. The jet pump and clean icon will automatically shut off after 10 minutes. Indicator icons. The indicator icons can only be seen on the home screen. They will be visible only when the icon functions are active. More about indicator icons can be found in your Hot Spring Spa Owner's Manual. Hard buttons. Let's explore what each hard button does on your control panel. Jets. The Jets hard button activates the jet pumps. When you press the Jets hard button, the Jets menu will display on the screen. Press the soft keys closest to the jet functions to change between high or low speed, or to switch it off. Jet 1 switches on the main spa seat pumps, and Jet 2 switches on the rest of the jets. Jet Max is a 1-button press to get all jets on maximum output. If the spa jets do not operate, first check that you do not have the spa lock function turned on. Light control. Press the lights hard button to turn on and control all interior and exterior lighting. Press the soft button next to the dimmer to achieve your desired brightness, or cycle through the levels to switch the lights off. To change the colour of the interior lights, press the soft button next to colour. You can cycle through a selection of spa colours or set to an automatic colour wheel. press the soft button next to the exterior lights to turn on the daily lights. The daily lights activate a timer that will turn external lights on for 6 hours at the same time every day. Press the soft button next to daily lights a second time to turn the timer off. Press lights off to turn off all the lights. More about your spa's lighting can be found in your Hot Spring Spa Owner's Manual. Back button and home menu. The back button goes back one menu or to the home screen. This is handy if you ever get lost when scrolling through your screen. You can also hold the back button until the screen rotates or inverts to view it from inside the spa, or repeat to reverse. Options. The Options button transitions to the Options screen to access the Temperature menu, Setup menu, and Audio or Water Care system if it's installed in your spa. Press the soft button next to the descriptions to access the appropriate item. If your spa has the ACE salt water system or freshwater salt system installed, you can navigate to the water screen through this button here. Be sure to watch our video on how to use and maintain your spa water using the ACE or freshwater salt system if you have this installed in your spa. Let's continue to temperature control. The set temperature of your spa water will default to 38 degrees, which is the setting programmed at the factory. After the spa has been set up and used, the last temperature value that you've set will be stored in memory. To increase the temperature of your spa water, simply press the soft button that corresponds with a red arrow up for increasing the temperature or blue arrow down to decrease the temperature. The temperature will increase or decrease in ½ degree increments. Audio. This is probably my favourite part of the spa, the audio system. If a wireless audio sound system is installed in your spa, both the home screen and the options screen will display the audio function. To enter the audio menu screen, press the soft button next to audio. Press the soft button next to audio off to turn the sound system on or off next to audio on. Audio must be on to advance the audio screens. To adjust volume, press the soft button that corresponds with arrow up for increasing volume or arrow down for decreasing the volume. To pause or play a song, press the Function Soft button to advance to the Play Pause function screen. Press the soft button next to Play Pause in the top right corner to play or pause music. By pressing the Function Soft button again, this will advance to the Track function screen. Use the soft button that corresponds with moving to the next track or going back a track. Some audio sources will even display a song title for your convenience. Let's take a look at the Setup function. Press the Function Set soft button 3 times to advance to the Enter Setup screen. Press the Enter Setup soft button to advance to the Setup Source screen. Bluetooth should be selected. Then press Setup soft button 6 times from Setup Source screen to advance to the Pair screen. Finally, press Pair soft button. The pair will now flash. Go to your chosen device and look for My Spa BTXR and follow your device's instructions to connect. If you do not see My Spa BTXR, another device may already be connected. The system can only connect to one Bluetooth transmitting device at a time. After pairing, you will be ready to use your Bluetooth device. More about your spa's control panel and all functions can be found in your Hot Spring Spa Owner's Manual.